It's my lemon. It's my only toy I've ever had. There's the only thing she didn't take away from me.
Bruce.
Into pieces. So in the pot this goes, and I probably used about 5 slices. So all we have to do now is cover this with water, and I'm gonna let it cook. You know,
He's redecorating
No.
again.
No.
I'm gonna add a little.
No.
And this is gonna have some salt.
No, you leave that there.
I'm gonna let that cook up all. Let that cook for 15 minutes. We've got the Harry Connick Jr. pot roast in the oven. And next, we're gonna get those wonderful Clint Eastwood rutabagas going. Coming up, y'all, is one of our buffet favorites. Mashed rutabagas. Love them, love them, love
Are you
them.
trying to get the fruit?
Dessert of choice, frozen chocolate mousse pie. And later, I get geared up to make my sauteed onion relish for those fried green tomatoes.
Go get your mother. Go get it. Go. Go. Go on, get it. Get it. Go get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get that lemon. You get it. Get it.